The pair were initially accused of being involved in the death of Shannon Vassefal, a 22-year-old woman and close friend of Madisia. Vassefal was reported missing in April 2020. Throughout the trial, Azaan Madisia maintained that Vassefal's death was the result of an unfortunate accident that occurred during a physical altercation. Judge Liebenberg expressed his skepticism regarding Madisia's version of events, stating that he was not convinced by the testimony. Despite this, the judge noted that the evidence in the case did not conclusively establish that the death was intentional.
In the result, it is ordered on account 1, murder, accused 1, not guilty and discharged. Accused 2, not guilty and discharged. Count 2, robbery with aggravating circumstances. Accused 1, not guilty and discharged. Accused 2, not guilty and discharged. Count 3, defeating or obstructing the cause of justice. Accused 1, guilty. Accused 2, guilty.
During the trial, the prosecution presented its case, aiming to prove that Madisia and Mulundu were responsible for the murder of Shannon Vassefal. However, the judge found the evidence lacking in establishing their guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. According to Liebenberg, there was no evidence indicating that the accused acted with the intent to cause bodily harm. Moreover, the judge stated that there was no proof implicating Junior Mulundu in the killing, further supporting his decision to find the defendants not guilty on the charge of murder. Both Madisia and Mulundu were, however, found guilty of obstruction of justice. Judge Christi Liebenberg's ruling in this case raises broader questions about the burden of proof in criminal proceedings and the challenges faced by the justice system in establishing intent. The sentencing phase of the trial will commence tomorrow, where the court will determine an appropriate penalty for the obstruction of justice charges. Some of those who turned up to hear the verdict, especially family members, were disappointed. Daniel Nadung, NBC News, High Court, Windhoek.